Ready to see how easy it is to learn a foreign language?
Simply follow along with me twice a day, from the first lesson to the end of the free lessons without taking notes.
In less than a week, you'll be speaking the new language. As we learn Russian, I will give you two verbs like
Делать.
сделать. Both verbs mean to do.
Although they both convey the idea of doing, their meanings in a sentence can differ.
When learning these verbs, we'll discover two different verbs for each action in Russian.
Once you figure out where and when to use them, you'll feel like you've hacked a significant part of the Russian language.
Let's learn together the verbs we use the most in our daily lives, starting from our first lesson, and dive into hacking Russian right away.
Please note that in the verb groups we are about to learn, the first verb is imperfective, and the second verb is perfective.
Let's begin our lesson.
Быть, to be,
Делать,
делать, to do,
есть,
поесть,
to eat,
пить, выпить,
to drink,
спать, поспать,
to sleep,
ложиться спать,
to go to bed,
ходить,
идти,
пойти, to go,
to come,
приходить,
прийти,
to come, to arrive,
говорить,
поговорить,
to speak,
учить,
выучить,
to learn, оставаться, остаться,
to stay,
играть,
поиграть,
сыграть,
to play,
работать,
поработать,
to work,
жить,
прожить,
to live,
понимать,
понять,
to understand,
слышать,
услышать,
to hear,
видеть,
увидеть,
to see,
смотреть,
посмотреть,
to look,
слушать,
послушать,
to listen,
звонить,
позвонить,
to call,
покупать,
купить,
to buy,
знать,
узнать,
to know,
любить, полюбить,
to love,
давать,
дать,
to give,
рассказывать,
рассказать,
to tell,
говорить,
сказать,
to say, отвечать,
ответить,
to answer,
помогать.
помочь, to help.
Now, let's take a quick look at the difference between these two verbs we have just learned. We will look at this in more detail in the following lessons. In Russian, делать and сделать are two forms of the same verb, but they are used in different contexts to convey different meanings.
Делать.
This is the imperfective aspect of the verb, which means to do or to make.
It is used when referring to the general act of doing or making something without specifying completion or a specific result.
For example,
Я делаю уроки.
I am doing homework.
This sentence is in the present tense and uses the imperfective aspect. It indicates that we are currently in the process of doing our homework. We might say this if someone asks what we are doing right now.
Сделать.
This is the perfective aspect of the verb, indicating a completed action or a finished result. It is used when you want to express that something has been done or made, emphasizing the completion of the action.
This verb has only two tenses, future and past.
For example,
Я сделаю уроки.
I will do my homework. This sentence is in the future tense and uses the perfective aspect.
It indicates that we will complete our homework at some point in the future.
We might say this if someone asks whether we will do our homework later.
Я делаю уроки.
This sentence focuses on the ongoing process of doing the homework.
Я сделаю уроки.
This sentence focuses on the completion of the homework in the future.
Let's look at another example.
Я раньше почти каждый день уроки делал.
I used to do homework almost every day.
This sentence is in the past tense and uses the imperfective aspect.
It indicates a habitual action in the past, meaning that we regularly did our homework almost every day.
We might say this if we're talking about our past habits or routine.
Я сделал уроки.
I have finished or completed my homework.
This sentence is in the past tense and uses the
Perfective aspect. It indicates that we have completed our homework.
We might say this if someone asks whether we have.
Finished our homework.
In summary, делать is used for the general process of doing or making something.
Сделать is used when you want to highlight the completion or result of the action.
The prefix
In сделать indicates the perfective aspect, marking the action as completed or accomplished.
These were the verbs we needed to learn in the first place.
Now, let's learn some other words. Счастливый,
Счастливая,
happy,
грустный,
грустная, sad, вода, the water, coffee, the дом, the home, английский, English,
русский,
Russian, football, the football, здесь, here, down, there, неправильно, wrong, дома, at home, машина, the car, это, this, that, or it.
The Russian language does not have articles like German and other European languages. However, nouns are divided into 3 types:
Masculine
feminine.
and neuter.
The gender of a noun is important because it affects the forms of adjectives, pronouns, and verbs that go with it.
Мужской род.
Masculine nouns often end in consonants such as
Yi, ti,
n,
te. Женский род.
Feminine nouns often end in
А, я.
средний род.
Neuter nouns often end in
O.
yeah.
The first sentence structure we will learn in Russian is the imperative sentence.
Creating imperative sentences in Russian is very easy.
For regular verbs ending in its, simply drop the tit at the end to form the imperative.
Говорить.
Поговорить.
To speak.
Говори.
Speak.
With regular verbs ending in ать, the letters tit are dropped at the end and we add the letter.
Yi.
Делать.
Сделать.
To do.
Сделай.
Do!
Irregular verbs are unique in that they don't follow the standard rules of conjugation.
To effectively use these verbs, we need to learn them as they are, memorizing their specific forms and usages.
Although it might seem challenging at first, with practice and repetition, you will become comfortable with these exceptions.
Now, let's move on to creating informal imperatives. Informal imperatives are commands or requests made in a casual or familiar manner.
They are typically used with friends, family, or peers.
They are essential for everyday conversation and help in giving directions,
Making suggestions, or offering advice in a friendly tone.
By mastering irregular verbs and their informal imperatives, you'll enhance your fluency and confidence in using the language naturally and effectively.
Let's dive into some examples and practice forming these imperative structures together. Будь счастлив.
Be happy.
Сделай это.
Do it.
Yes. Eat it.
Пей воду.
Drink water.
Спи рано.
Sleep early.
Иди.
Go. Приходи.
Come. Говори на английском.
Speak English.
Учи английский.
Learn English.
Оставайся здесь.
Stay here.
Играй в футбол.
Play football.
Работай здесь.
Work here. Живи в Стамбуле.
Live in Istanbul.
Смотри.
Look.
Слушай.
Listen.
Звони.
Call.
Купи.
Buy.
Дай это.
Give it.
Скажи это.
Say it.
Ответ.
Answer.
Помоги.
Help.
When we want to give a command or instruction not to do something in Russian, we use the negation word "не" before the verb,
This structure is essential for creating negative imperatives.
allowing us to tell someone not to perform a specific action.
For example, if you want to tell someone not to go, you would say,
Не иди.
here,
Не.
negates the verb,
Иди.
which means
Go, forming a clear instruction not to go.
Let's continue practicing with more examples of negative imperative sentences.
By understanding and using these structures, you'll be able to give clear, concise commands and instructions in Russian,
This skill is particularly useful in everyday conversations.
helping you effectively communicate what should not be done.
Не грусти,
Don't be sad.
не делай это,
Don't do it.
не ешь,
Don't eat it.
не пей воду,
Don't drink water. Не спи рано.
don't sleep early,
Не ходи.
don't go,
Не приходи.
don't come,
Не говори по-английски. Don't speak English.
не учи английский,
Don't learn English.
не оставайся здесь,
Don't stay here. Не играй в футбол.
don't play football,
Не работай здесь. Don't work here. Не живи в Лондоне.
don't live in London,
Не смотри.
don't look,
Не слушай. Don't listen.
не звони,
Don't call.
не покупай эту машину,
Don't buy this car.
не давай,
Don't give. Не говори. Don't tell. Не отвечай.
don't answer,
Не помогай.
don't help.
Learn languages fast with Ferhat Yildiz proven method.
As an experienced linguist, I have crafted the fastest and most effective way for you to learn the world's languages.
You've already seen how quickly and easily you can master a foreign language in just one lesson. Imagine how much more you can achieve with our detailed, comprehensive courses.